Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, we are in my kitchen today, and that is because I'll be working with 310 Nutrition. I'll be doing a little overview of their company, I'll be reviewing one of their meal replacement shakes, and then I'll be showing you 3 super yummy recipes to kickstart your day with. But really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that even though I was sent product from 310 Nutrition to review, that's no way going to impact what I tell you guys. I feel like it's my responsibility to you to be honest and truthful, so that is what I'm going to do. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start off by talking a little bit about 310 Nutrition. 310 Nutrition specializes in making healthy supplements free of artificial sweeteners, chemicals, and controversial ingredients. Since I'm specifically going to be talking about their meal replacement shake in this video, I'm going to focus on that. But as you can see, they sell a lot of different products like lemonades, supplements, and teas. Okay, so there are 2 varieties of their meal replacement shake mix, the all-in-one and the original. I was sent the original variety, so I'm going to talk about that one, but if I were going to buy one myself, I would pick the all-in-one mix, because I really like that it includes 26 different vitamins and minerals. Anyway, I really love the variety of flavors they have for the original mix. All of these flavors sound really cool and super tasty. I especially like that they have an unflavored mix, which I know is super boring, but it's really great if you're planning on making smoothies and don't want the shake mix to impact the flavor. I also really like how the original mix is vegan, keto and paleo friendly, organic, and gluten-free. It's really nice that it covers a lot of dietary restrictions. And in terms of pricing, it works out to be $2.85 or $2.14 per serving, depending on if you decide to subscribe or not, which I think is pretty reasonable. Okay, so 310 Nutrition sent me a handful of products to check out, but as I said earlier, I'm specifically going to be reviewing one of their meal replacement shakes. And they sent me 4 flavors of those. So we have toasted coconut, salted caramel, vanilla, and chocolate. And I think I'm going to go ahead and check out the chocolate one because out of those 4, I'm pretty sure this is probably the most popular. Okay, so per the instructions, it says to mix 1 packet of shake mix with 8 fluid ounces of cold water, milk, or milk alternative. And you can adjust the quantity of fluid depending on what kind of consistency you want. So let's go ahead and do that. So it is past lunch, and I was really hungry, so I drank all of this. But anyway, let me give you a summary of my thoughts. Starting off with taste, I think the chocolate flavor was really good. It was really rich and really chocolatey, and they did a great job at making it taste like chocolate. The only thing I would say is you can tell that there's stevia in there, so if that's a taste you don't really like, I don't think you're gonna like the flavor of this. Now moving on to consistency, it was a little bit grainy, but by no means was it like clumpy or anything like that. It's just you could tell that a powder had been mixed with a liquid. I will say I didn't shake the bottle for that long though. So I think that if you shook the bottle really thoroughly, or even better if you blended it in a smoothie, the texture really wouldn't be a thing. And the last thing I want to talk about is fullness. So as I said, before drinking this, I was really hungry, and now I'm very full and content. I know that with some shakes like this, after drinking them, you're still hungry or have some sort of craving or something like that. But this one, I didn't, which is really good because this shake is supposed to be used as a meal replacement if you want it to be. Overall, based on my experience, I would definitely recommend 310 Nutrition's meal replacement shakes. I think they'd be especially good for anyone looking to get a little bit of extra protein in their diet. They're really tasty by themselves as well as blended into smoothies. For anyone who's always on the go or in a rush and finds themselves either skipping meals or buying fast food, they're really quick and convenient. And lastly, for anyone looking to lose a little bit of weight. Based on how I felt after drinking my shake, I could see someone replacing a meal or a snack with one of these shakes instead. Up first is the salted caramel coffee shake. For this one, you'll need half a cup of ice, half a cup of milk of your choice, half a cup of chilled coffee, a pack of 310 salted caramel shake mix, and half of a frozen banana. Then just blend that all up and sprinkle some cacao nibs on top, and then this one is ready to go. Up next is this coconut matcha shake. For this one, you'll need half a cup of ice, a cup of milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, a pack of 310's toasted coconut shake mix, and half of a frozen banana. Then blend that all up Sprinkle some coconut shavings on top, and this one is done. And lastly is this vanilla chai shake. For this one, you'll need half a cup of ice, half a cup of milk of your choice, half a cup of chilled chai tea, a pack of 3/10 vanilla shake mix, a sprinkling of cinnamon, a sprinkling of nutmeg, and half of a frozen banana. Then blend that all up, shake a little bit of cinnamon on top, and this one is ready to go. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to 310 Nutrition for working with me. If you're interested in checking them out, I have a discount link which I'll leave in the description box below for you guys. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't come